In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the print head of your Epson WorkForce WF 7820 printer. You can use this auto print head cleaning method if your printer is not printing properly, it's missing ink or no ink is on the paper showing up. Now the first step is to go to the printer display panel, scroll ahead and click on the settings, maintenance, select print head cleaning and click on the start. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes for the print head to start cleaning. Print head cleaning is complete. Printer nozzle check that is recommended, so click yes, start. Let's check the printed sheet. So after doing the print head cleaning, all 4 inks are showing up. That means our print head and the nozzles are unclogged and we are ready to use the printer for normal printing. If you see any line broken or dotted, then you can click on the X button, then it will do the print head cleaning second time. You can repeat it number of times until you get all the lines clear, and once you get it clear, click this button and now we are ready to use our printer. Thanks for watching.